y'all, we're here at Adams Avenue Flats in downtown Montgomery, Alabama. We're just blocks from the state capitol and we're surrounded by amazing restaurants, shops, and everything else downtown Montgomery has to offer. Today we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Each unit features oversized windows, beautiful hardwood floors, and an in-unit washer and dryer. Off of the living space, you'll find the kitchen, which features granite countertops, and down the hall is the bathroom and the very spacious bedroom, which includes a large closet. Outside, you'll find a courtyard space featuring gorgeous greenery, a grill, and lots of seating. Residents also have access to a table tennis court and a modern fitness center. Click the link below to book your tour today.